Hey, welcome back. Steve AZ711 here. Well, I think it's time for a heater hose change. When you see this around the heater hose, it's behind the clamp. It's telling you that it's coming through the hose and it's about ready to split. In order to change this hose, you take the clamp loose there. I'm going to remove the pieces of this air cleaner first. Work it up and down and pull back until it comes loose. Then I believe I'll probably do the same thing with that part down there. Okay, I just pull this part loose from that hose. I believe if I take the wheel off, I might be able to get to the bottom of the heater cord. Okay, this looks like the best way to get to the hoses. And right back under there, it's the one in front that I have to go to, not this one in the rear. This is also where you check and see if they were leaking and retighten them. So I got to reach up underneath there with a very small screwdriver, or maybe a very small 1/4-inch socket wrench. Cut to fit, that's what I did. Anyway, so I removed the sheath from the old hose, put it on this new hose in here. And so here's the old hose. This one's in the heater core here, and I went ahead and slid it. Makes it much easier to come off, and you're getting rid of it anyway. But I want to show you where it was leaking behind the clamp. Right here. You can see that was a hole, and there was probably another one right here, starting right there. Okay, well, that's it for now, and until the next video, this is Steve AZ711 saying bye for now. By the way, don't forget to top off your coolant fluid on your radiator tank.